Okay, I wasn't going to review this, to be fair. I couldn't be bothered, but I started opening the box and I thought I might as well, someone might be interested in. From the supermarket, basically. Not something I've always wanted, but it's something I thought, oh, I could do with it one now and again on the odd job. Probably about nearly a year ago or 6 months ago, I said to my wife about they were in the supermarket. I said, "Oh, I'll get me one of them. They're cheap." It's been in the cupboard ever since. I've literally just thought, oh, I've got that in the cupboard. So basically, it's a plasma cutter. You'd need a compressor to use with it, so you need one of those. Even says on there, compressor not included. Can only be used with a compressor. So yeah, it's basically a plasma gun. I'm going to show you through that. So let's open it for the first time. Instructions or gumph. What have we got on the pie slider in? Oh, it's quite small. Quite a small bit of kit, considering the size of the box. Power settings. The compressor. It's not screwed on straight, a bit weird. Okay, on off. Earth lead. For your compressor. Torch lead. Simple as that. Okay. So this is the bizarre thing with these, when you get these things from the shop, that's not with it. So this is the airline it comes with. There's the end of the airline, and that will snap inside that and grab that. It comes with that connection. I'm not sure whether that's 1/2 inch or what, but it doesn't fit anything that I've got that I use on everything else. So they should at least give you the option, like an extra one you can just change that for. Luckily I've got a box of old air tools that I can steal some connections off, and I say some connections because I literally need a lot. I need that to be able to cut off that, put it inside there and put a Jubilee clip on, and then I need that, which I took off one of these, to go inside that, so I can connect it to the airline, just because it's the wrong size. So I know most people wouldn't have a box of old air tools in their possession. They'd have to go around shopping again looking for the right bits, so that's the negative so far. Let's get that on. So let's cut this off. Don't know how long that is. Okay, so it's a good idea to heat these up to get over that. I'll heat that up and then I'll get it on. So that's on now, look. So that's pretty much what I need to make it work. So that's for the air compressor, and that will plug in down there or up there, depending on where I do it from. That just pushes in there and that grips it. So if you want to take that out, see that's pulled in. If you ever want to take that out, you push that in and pull that out at the same time. That'll come out. So yeah, that plugs in there. I'm acting like I know what I'm on about. I don't. It's just what I would deem to be obvious. That plugs in. There's the on-off switch. Let's look at the front. There's the earth. That's going to go in that one, presuming. Yep. Okay. So it's got a little notch at the front. Turn it. See that? Don't know if it just pushes in and turn it, or just pushes in. I'm not sure. Yeah. Push it in, turn it. That locks it in. That leaves this cable. Careful not to cut anything important. I'm presuming they're spare tips. Okay, confused now. I've got 4 connections and only 2 holes to connect them. I'm not sure what that is. I'm presuming it's possibly AC/DC. So you use this one maybe for AC, and that one and that one for AC, and that one. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to have a read the instructions, something I never do. I'm actually more confused looking at the instructions, if I'm honest with you, because it doesn't actually tell you, but I've stepped back to now have had a look at it, and there's the earth cable, and although I put it inside that, I'm re-looking at what I've got here. That obviously goes there, there's no other option. That obviously goes there, there's no other option. That leaves me with that one, which is the same as that one. So if I put that one in there and that one in there, that leaves this one dangling around, which looks the same as that one. That's the male and female. So I think actually that one would go in there, and that's the earth. That one would go in there, that goes in there, and that goes in there, and that gets rid of all the cables for me. So that's how I think it goes. Just like that. Just like that. Goes like that. There you go. Right, let's plug it in, see if we get any power there. Are we on? We're on. Okay, it's on, the fan's on. That's not that's not connected. Let's connect that. Oh shit. For that to finish. Let's try this thing together for the first time. So I've got any old welding gloves. I don't know where they are. There they are. Right, let's try this thing out together for the first time on that old exhaust that I cut up. Let's go for it. earth. Let's earth it. That's the power button. Power button's on the back. Power's on. So we got this motherfucker. Fuck. Wow, mincemeat. Let's put a straight edge on that. Wow. Okay. It's quite impressive. It's quite impressive. I was expecting a lot more sparks, to be honest with you. I mean, it was a lot, but it wasn't a lot. No more than the grinder. Yeah, not bad. God knows what I'm going to use it for, but we'll see. Yeah, Parkside cheapy plasma car. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. There you go. That's my crappy review on a Parkside plasma car.